The ECOVACS DEEBOT N79S robot vacuum cleaner is perfect, has all the features you would expect from a modern robotic vacuum cleaner, in addition to being compatible with Alexa, so you can order that clean your house with a simple voice command. It's on sale right now on Amazon for only $199.99 after the discount and the coupon on the site. Some of its features: cleaning in maximum mode. Increase its cleaning power by 2 times each time you need to use the application or remote control. Smart application and voice controls. Use the Alexa or Google Home voice commands to direct the cleanup. Use the ECOVACS application to customize, schedule and monitor cleaning sessions, the status of accessories and receive error alerts. Basic features of ECOVACS includes our exclusive 3-stage cleaning system, anti-collision and anti-collision sensors, 120 minutes of battery life, automatic return charging, automatic software update, durable protective bumpers, air filtration, anti-scratch finish, large easy-to-empty garbage can, large wheels to raise the thresholds. 1-year warranty, plus accessories, includes 1 remote control, 1 main brush, 2 side brushes, 1 docking station and fantastic customer service.